Hello investor, welcome to my channel Invest with ARNAV. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. First disclaimer, we are not SEBI registered analyst. Stock mentioned is not recommendation. Kindly use your own analysis and this is for educational purpose only. Now in today's video, we will discuss about Gensol Engineering. It was a multi-bagger stock in solar sector just a year ago. The stock rose from the level of 20 to almost 1365 times growth. So a multi-bagger growth, phenomenal growth. And then what happened after March 2025? The stock fall from the level of 1300 to level now it stands at 54. So more than 95% of the wealth is destroyed. Let us understand why this happened and whether you could have caught the signs in time. After watching this video, you will be able to identify such stocks in advance and avoid losses. I will explain this in simple steps. So even if you are new to the stock market, you will understand. Now let us try to decode it. Now looking at the chart of Gensol Engineering, the stock was rose from level of 20 to 1300 and after 1300 it came at the level of 54. So what happened in March here in March 3rd March 2025. Now there is credit agency named CARE. The report came on March 3 to 2025 and they downgraded the rating of Gensol to D. D means defaulter. That means company would not be able to repay its loan, and since then the stock hit the low circuit. Investor did not get the chance to exit, and these are the today's level 54. So let us understand what were the signs if you could have caught this in time. Now we go to the screener.in website. Here is Gensol Engineering. We will look at the balance sheet of the company. Now after looking at the balance sheet, you can see that the borrowings of the company increase from 82 to 598 crore in March 2023. In that total borrowings, short-term borrowings increase from 43 to 80 crores and long-term borrowings increase from 39 to 454 crores. Now these borrowings are of two types: short-term borrowings and long-term borrowings. Short-term borrowings are those that are to be paid within 1 year, and long-term borrowings are those which are to be paid within more than 1 year. It can be anything 5 years, 7 years, or as such. So the borrowings increase in 23, and what? So this was an alert that borrowing increase from 80 to almost 600, 7 to 8 times. And what happened in March 2024? Again, borrowing increased to 1510 crore. And in these borrowings, what was surprising that short-term borrowings increased from 80 to 539 crores. Again, the short-term borrowings that needs to be repaid within 1 year. And if you look at the profit and loss statement, company's yearly profit was 53 crore. Okay, now this loan was a big amount for the company. Again, this was an second red alert. And if you look at the investor pattern of investors, in pattern of investors, check it quarterly and in public. Just look at this. Mr. Mukul Mahavir Agrawal. He exited his holdings in December 23. Almost he exited his full holdings. Again, this was an alert. And also, the promoters started offloading their holdings. It reduced from 71 to 62. Again, this was an red alert. So, these were the signs. Let us summarize it. First, in March 2023, the company's borrowing increased from 82 crore to 598 crore. Now, this is an alert for you. In 2024, short-term borrowing increased from 80 to 539 crore. This was an red alert. Major investor exited in December 23. Again, this was an red alert. And promoter offloading their holdings. Again, this was a big alert for you. Now, all these things in isolation would not have been mattered, but together and one after the another in sequence, they were pointing toward the danger, and you could see that danger happened here. Now, all these signs started coming in March 2023 to March 2024, and the stock started hitting the lower circuit in March 25. So you would have been a period of 1 year to exit from this stock if you would have caught these danger signs earlier, and you could have avoided your losses in stock like this. So always check the balance sheet of the stocks in your portfolio and look at the danger signs if they are present and avoid the losses in market. Now this was all about today's topic. If you like my analysis and whether you learn something or not, please comment, like, share and subscribe. I will be back with another interesting video at the earliest. Thank you.